the week. Wet and gushy, make that pull-out game weak.
Hi guys, welcome back to Slay Sunday. I'm back from my vacations. I was living my best life in Vegas and ATL because a bitch really needed a break. But I'm back and better than ever. Also, you guys, how about I've been doing Slay Sundays now for a year. I started in August of last year. I can't believe it's been a year already. So I felt like a good video back was to do something WAP inspired since it's so huge, and that was low-key the theme song of our ATL trip. But I loved the music video, like just all the looks, the outfits, the looks. It was just a whole moment, just womanhood. We love it. But also their looks were like very wearable, like the makeup looks, that is. So I think this will be relatively easy to recreate. I'm just gonna do Cardi's look in the pink. I didn't have something in that exact shade of pink, like with this kind of style neckline. But you know, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work, guys. And I tried my best to style my hair. I tried my best. I didn't straighten it or anything. I literally just wet it, put some gel, brushed it down. That's it. But okay, so let's get started, guys. I've missed y'all. So what we're gonna do, the look she had, it's very pink. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my Cara Beauty Purple Haze palette. And this is also part of that 420 collection. So I have used the Girl Scout palette before. That's the green one. So I wound up buying the rest of the bundle. I did the purple and then the orange. So the Purple Haze, even though it's Purple Haze, it has a lot of pinks in it. Look at all these pinks. Yes. So I'm definitely gonna use this today. I'm gonna start, let me see, kind of looking at a picture of her makeup here just for some guidance. Okay, so I'm gonna start, she has kind of like a lighter pink. I'm gonna start with my crease brush and I'm gonna go into this first shade, Baked, this light, really light pink. Okay, I think that's good for now. And then, okay, what I might do, I might blend these two colors together. What is that? Cloud 9 and Bubba Kush. I might combine these two colors, mix them together to kind of create my crease shade, since she has, it's a little bit darker. Let's see if I regret this. I mean, it's not exactly the same shade, but you know, we'll make it work. We're gonna make it work. There's some whores in this house. 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 There's some. Also, y'all, I just have to say, it felt so good finally getting out of Charlotte, North Carolina, because oh my God, I had been cooped up since March and I was just so ready to go somewhere. So I'm so happy that these trips happened. Basically, we wound up going to Vegas for my friend's birthday. Originally, it would have been LA back in June, but of course, COVID. And for my birthday, I was going to be going to Miami back in April for a girls' trip, and of course, COVID. So that never happened. I'm hoping maybe sometime, maybe in like a year or two, it can be a thing. I don't know. I really want to. But anyway, we decided to do Atlanta for mine instead. We finally celebrated 4 months later. But we did Atlanta for mine because a couple of the girls lived there, so we stayed with them. We were able to save a little bit of money. You know, made it work. And it was fun. It was cute. I'm gonna use this shade right here, lighter. It's like a deeper color. I might see if I can make that work kind of on the outer edge of my eye.
There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house.
Yeah, I need a little bit more of a brown. I'll probably try to put like a brown on top of this.
Whores in this house. There's some 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 whores in this house.
Like, it kind of gives me what I need, but I need a little bit more of a, like a mauve-y brown kind of color. Oh, I gotta see if I can find that.
There's some whores in this house. 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 There's some whores in this.
I'm gonna just go in with a little bit of this color vibe. Oh, I just dug my nail all in that. No. At least it's just like a, you know, transition shade, but still. I hate when that happens. Anyway, but I'm gonna go with the shade Vibe right here, this brown, in my Bad Habit Aura palette, which is a dupe for the ABH Prism. I'm gonna go in lightly with this brown, because this brown is kind of pigmented, so...
There's some whores in this house. 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 There's some whores in this house.
Now, just for the lid shade, I'm gonna use this little e.l.f. little mini bite-size palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade right here, because it's kind of similar to what she has on her lid. I really probably should cut my crease, but I'm in a little bit of a rush because I have somewhere to be. So, I don't know if I have time for all that right now. So we're just gonna take that shimmer shade. Yes. Just gonna put that kind of all over the lid. Okay. Yeah, that shade matches pretty well with what she has in the look, so that's good. That's a pretty shade. It's quite pretty.
There's some whores in this house. 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 There's some whores in this house.
It's the only thing when you have nails and you're trying to get into your inner corner. Oh my god. Impossible.
In this house. There's some whores 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 in this house. There's some.
Okay. Yes. And now for the inner corner. She doesn't have like a really brightening shade or anything. It almost looks just kind of nude. So I might just go in back with this e.l.f. palette, just with that shade right here, because it's like super light, and this might give me what I'm looking for. Let's see. Like, it still brightens up the eyes a little bit. Yeah, that'll work.
Whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this.
We can work with that. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of that first pink shade again in my lower lash line. Yes.
Some whores in this house. There's 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 some.
Okay. Yes. All right. So I'm just gonna go in now with some liner and mascara and lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes that I got from the beauty supply store that I've used before because it has that very like cat eye winged out moment, and Cardi's lashes are very similar to that in this look. So I feel like these will give what I need. Also, I got a new tattoo, guys. I got it in Atlanta, Black owned business. I did 3 zodiac signs. I don't know if I can really show you the best, but I did 3 zodiac signs. I did an Aries, Taurus, and Sagittarius, and that represents me, my mom, and my dad because my family is very close to me. So I decided to do that to pay homage to them, and I love it. I wanted to do something like daintier. Anyway, so now I have 2 tats. Ow. But anyway, let me do my liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, so liner, mascara, and lashes are all on. The lashes really brought it together, and I also decided to put on these nice fancy earrings that make me feel expensive, even though they were only $4. We love it. These are like really nice. I thought this would kind of match a little bit of her earring vibe because she had some like really nice earrings. Anyway, but yes, so the lashes are on. I definitely think this like more cat eye style lash was perfect. Yeah, so now just for the lips, she just had some glossy lips. I'm gonna try my Essence, this like kind of pink frosty moment, and we're gonna see if that gives what I need. This almost might be a little too light. I might could have gone in with one of my other. Oh yeah, that's a little light. She's light. But you know, let's blend her in, and might be able to tone it down with something else on top of it. I say as I'm adding more of this gloss. Like it's a vibe, but like she has a darker lip than this. Trying to think what I could put on top of this. Oh, dang! I probably should have put this on first. Because this color is actually a little bit more. Give me a second. Up. I think this is the color, y'all. So this is actually an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Allison. Okay, yeah. I think this is giving what I needed. Okay, yeah. Yes, I think this is the one. This is cute. All right. Yes, I'm happy with how this looks. Now let's set her. All right, ladies, or friends, I'm sorry, because I know some guys watch me too. Yes, all right. So, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Hopefully you liked it. I was getting a little nervous at first, but honestly, lashes really just bring everything together, and I'm having how this is looking. So, hopefully this was a nice first Soleil Sunday back, getting back into the groove of things, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll be back next week with some more. Bye, you guys.
Your boots and your coat for this wet and gushy. He bought a phone just for pictures of this wet and gushy. Hey, my two